Go ahead, Scarlett.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where are you riding to?
Let's go to the grocery store.
Dead Eye Gulch? Alright, you're going to Dead Eye Gulch. Alright, make the siren noise. Alright. Boom.
You like that? You like this?
Go down the slide? The last page.
Judy, play it.
Wait a
You can play it, Jude.
okay? You want to go down the slide?
You guys are in a band.
There she goes.
Yeah, come down. Somebody behind you.
Oh, show me what's in there.
I don't want to hold it anymore.
Well, show me what's in there. Is there treasure in there?
Yes.
Let me see.
No, there's not any treasure. Yes, treasure. No, the treasure pirates look for is gold.
No, did the treasure pilot steal the gold?
Yes.
They stole all.
Yes, this is the treasure.
They stole all the gold.
This is
Hey, Luke, what are you doing?
I need a
Man, sweet.
I need a pirate sword. Pirate sword. I need an eye patch.
Oh, are there any more eye patches?
No.
We'll have to get one.
I want the ship. That's my little brother. Surrender. Wait, let's make a pyramid. Little brother. Little brother. Come on. Oh no, rock in the ocean. Everybody. Yeah. Can you see that?
I did.
That sewer. Pirates never get that.
Scarlett, what all do you have in your basket?
And I need some people. Okay, that's all we need.
What all do you have? Show me.
No, we need some more.
What did you get already?
Look at all this.
Ruffs? Pasta sauce? I mean pasta? Orange juice?
Mom loves
No.
Mom loves this.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, excellent. Oh, good, good. Okay. All right.
We need some
Fritos.
dog treats.
All right, we'll go check out then.
No, we don't. Wait, no, wait. We need some more stuff. Come in. You can come in. My space wet.
Hi.
No. I'll put my space in. My costume. Up there, look fancy. No.
I'll help you put the suit on.
No.
All right.
Is he going to store? Wait.
Scarlett, answer the phone.
What?
See who's on the phone.
Okay. I just ordered pizza on the phone. I'm ordering pizza too.
Okay.
No, it's 0521. Okay. This is
Do you know how to do it? Do you know how to dial it? You ready? So this is how you do it, okay? You say 7 0
wait, no.
3 5 6 3 9 8 1 1. That's how you dial those phones.
Wait, Dad.
What, bud?
I just want to tell you something.
Okay.
The one to order the pizza is 0, 5,
You gotta go all the way down.
1.
Yeah, but that's not how you do it. You gotta do if it's 0, you go all the way to 0 and then let it go. Just do that. No, and then 5. All right, 0. But you have to hold the phone. You have to hold this up first. Now dial. All right. No. All right. Now go 5. No. Touch the circle. Put your finger in the circle of 0 all the way around. All the way around to the button. There you go. Now let it go. All right. Now do the 5. 5. No. No. You put your finger in the 5 and go. And then 2.
All right, good job.
And then you talk.
Hello? Yes. Pizza.
What you reading?
A book about old ladies.
A book about old ladies? Okay, is it good?
Let's go.
Yeah, pass her another ball. Wait, do it again, Scarlett.
Raymond.
Nice.
Raymond, are you sure? Raymond.
Scarlett, pass Scarlett another ball.
Raymond.
But watch this. Wait, watch. Watch that.
Nice.
Watch this. Watch me.
Very good.